Brother, what the fuck? Look at that. I am on my baby Kate's tracer. I don't know why she's so dirty, because she gets clean a lot. So as you can see, we're going to do an Easter egg run. So I'm guessing that's where he or she's going. So we're going to meet a few of the lads. Bro is prepared, well prepared. I need some food, I can't even lie, boys. I'll see you there, bro. And it's literally, I don't know if you can be able to see it, hold on. We're gonna go down there. All the bikers down there, boys. There we go, we've got some more bikers here, boys. There we go, look at this, boys. Come on. Ah, this is getting me gassed up, boys. We've got some boys. There's the boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Alright, let's fill her up, boys. I'll be back in a sec. He's back. He's back. Is that, bro? Alright, yeah? All good. How we doing? Alright, yeah? All good? All good, good. So, see you guys in a sec. We're here. I think there's going to be a lot more bikes than up. I think last year, all of this was just covered full of bikes. Obviously, it's still a bit early, so people are probably still turning up. So we're just gonna pull up, find a spot somewhere. Oh, I'm guessing we're gonna pull up there, and I'm just gonna wait for more bikes to come up. I'm gonna have a look at what's there, see if we can find R1. Come on, R1, it'll be beautiful. But we're just gonna set off, and we're gonna go towards like Mansfield to where the charity is, I guess. But yeah, good little turnout. Got a nice little bike. Sorry I didn't get to have a walk around. I was just trying to get coffee. The queue was long. But yeah, we're here, boys. We're here. Oh man, my helmet's steaming up. The mic should pick it up, so we're good. We're on the wraps as well. Come on, boys. Brother, here for me, I'm a celebrity. No, I'm joking. But yeah, boys, this is our official first egg run. Like a big, I don't know, call it right out or something. Hello, my friend, how are you? Brother, very nice to meet you, my friend. You the best, bro. Oh, I'm never serious, man, I'm never serious. But, you know, it is what it is, boys. Brother, how are you, doggy? Alright, doggy, very nice. Brother, very nice. Traffic jam stopping. Oh, yeah. I don't know how many bikers here, but there's a lot. Look at this, boys, look at this. I wish it. Oh yeah, they're stopping. Yes. We've got another guy here. Come on. Brother, what is that, brother? Yeah, I love things like that. I absolutely love things like that. Come on, we've got boys. It's very nice, boys. I'd rev it, but I got a vegan exhaust, man. There's no point in me trying to rev at all. I can do it, just that's all you can do. Oh mate, brother, I need to get exhaust, brother. But yeah, good though, it's looking good though. Good turnout. Brother, come the brother. Oh, that was nice. My people, come on. Yes, trying to get the good way. Get on my way, that's all I can do. Yes. Brother, very nice brothers and sisters. I love that. I was sick. I think I missed it. Ah, you know what? I could do like standing up or something. Hello, how are you, my friend? I love you, long time. But yeah, there's quite a lot of bikers. Yeah, man. How are you, my friend? It's nice, very nice, my friend. How are you? Wow, very dangerous, brother. Oh, boys over there, William, man. Shit. Shall we? Shall we not? Shall we? Shall we not, brother? Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Always, always. Come on, boys. Oh, boys. I need to switch my traction controller. I can't do no wheelies. When I try to, they just go back down. I should have done that before I pulled off. Brother, see some work then, brother. Come on, come on. Alright, alright. How far we are, classic me, I never know nothing, but like I said, I don't know what's happening. I think we'll just go to like a charity, I'm assuming so, and then also people are going to donate what they can donate. And yeah, boys, I think that's about it. I don't know too much, boys, I don't know, man. One thing with bikers here, we're just like a one big community, and that's what I like. So everyone just stays together, everyone's on the same vibe, everyone's same level, no one gets left behind, just different. Bike life just way different. It's good, boys. We all get together and then have some fun, do some good stuff or things. I think we lost like half of the crew though, to be honest, or crew or whatever you want to call it. People, the traffic light just killing us. Literally every traffic light so far we've been getting stopped at. So some people went, some people didn't. Just, I'm sure we still got like a lot of people behind us as well. But yeah, it's good though. It's all good, boys. It's all good. I'll see some lights. Oh man, see some lights, boys. I need to be looking sharp. Yeah, boys. Brothers, how are you, sisters, brothers? So yeah, this is it, boys. Alright, my friend. Yes, boys, boys, boys. Brother, look at this big tricycle, unicycle, brother. What the fuck? Brother, Terminator, that was crazy still. That was mad. That caught me off guard there, that did. Oh shit, with the team over there. Brother, where are you parking? So yeah, we're here, boys. Brother, you okay, brother? Brother, be careful. Brother. Yeah, look, that's what I was on about, boys. Got flipping Terminator right there. Zoom in, boy. Look, he's there. I'll be back. I'll be back. Crazy, boys. Good little turnout. I think some of the lads are gonna start going back home or whatever they're doing. It's kind of Baltic today. I can't lie. The weather's not the best, but it's a good turnout anyway. We're just gonna probably get some food, usual stuff, food, drinks, or whatever, and then we'll be heading back home as well, boys. Oh, boys. All the bikes are there. Okay, good. Good turnout. Good turnout. Ready now. I'm gonna start heading home. I can't lie, it's absolutely freezing. I wish I could have showed you a little bit more, but I'm hoping you're still here, still watching the video, enjoying it. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap it up and head home. Only if the weather's a little bit better. I can't lie, at the minute it's been hit and miss, so not long ago it was nice and sunny, you could get your shorts on and everything. Well, I won't say shorts, but it's definitely better than to this. So like I said, a lot of people are starting to wrap up. We didn't even not here that long either, to be honest. But yeah, it wasn't here even that long. But it's freezing, boys. Freezing, 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 freezing. Brother, very dangerous. Very cold, brother. So yeah, we might see Terminator again. Might know, might not, I don't even know. Okay brother, look at this. Brother, very dangerous. I'm trying to show you some bikes here, boys. Oh, Panam. I like the Panams, they're good. Look at all these bikes here, boys. I keep thinking, you know, I see them people that high visors, yeah? Obviously, Gandalf here at the back. I'm thinking it's the boys. But yep, BMW here, man. Yeah, so we've got more bikers here, boys. Waiting for regroup. I do like the choices, new choices, these ones, I do like them. But the older shapes, the first gen and second gen, and a Raptor, of course. Brother here. Yeah, so we are heading back home. Brother, how are you, brother? Very nice. Right, boys and girls, so hold on. Look at that. So I'm riding on my bike, yeah, looking in my mirror, and all I can see is this. Brother, very dangerous. Brothers, let's have it, brothers. Woo, come on, boys. My God, she's draining fuel today, though. Brother, very dangerous. Ah, that was shambles. Oh, go on. Ah, okay. Come on, boys. Woo! He's going for it. Come on. Good lad. Yes. Woohoo! Yes! Go for it, yeah, man. Come on! Oh, boys. Come on, boys. So this is coming to an end of my video. If you like to, of course, like, share, subscribe, comment, you know, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. We can do it with your guys' support. And you know, it's Danwise, good vibes only here for the good vibes. Very windy today, boys, very windy. Trying to cut through, man, boys. Oh, no, it's not happening. Not happening, worry about. Thank you. Anyway, boys.